line is.
But it never strikes in the same place.
But I just saw it.
I did too, but it...
Okay.
We're getting some weird lights flashing over here. I know Liz thinks it's lightning, but it's striking the same place over and over and over again. I'll park. I won't be able to see from where I am, but I'll come out and I'll take more pictures. Okay. So if you look in the distance, there's flashes of light behind those trees. We've been following that since Route 1 in the mall. I started seeing it, and right there, constantly in the same spot, or maybe it's moving now a little bit, but I'm gonna walk up to the front to apologize for me walking. I don't walk well, but I could see in certain spots when it went off the light that there was a dot above that spot. Now, again, it says lightning, but I've never seen a lightning storm stay in one spot before. But what do I know? I'm not a meteorologist. I don't see the dot anymore, the red dot that was above it, but you can definitely see the light flashes. I'm gonna call my friend. Maybe it is lightning, because maybe it seems to be moving a little bit more on the horizon. I'm gonna call my friend who lives about a mile away from here, facing that direction. I'm gonna see if he can see it. I'll be back.